Shri Parashakti Vidyala CBSE Class 7th Subject English.
Good morning, students. Hope you are all well. Today we are going to study the 7th chapter of the grammar, subordinating conjunction. All of you take your English grammar text for the class. Let us go to the class. Okay, I hope that all of you take your English grammar text for the class. You have to take the page number 32, subordinating conjunctions. A conjunction or a connector is a word which joins two words, phrases, clauses, or sentence. It is never connected with an object. It never qualifies a word. It is simply join the words and sentence. So the conjunctions are simply join the words. It never connect with an object. Okay. There are three types of conjunctions or connectors. They are coordinating conjunctions, correlative conjunctions, then subordinating conjunction. These are the three types. You have learned about coordinating conjunctions, correlative conjunctions in the grammar, that is in the book 5 and 6. Okay, and conjunctions which join the subordinating clauses or at a principal clause are called subordinating conjunctions. So subordinating conjunction is which join a subordinating clause to its principal clause. So it is called subordinating conjunctions. Look at the box. Here is principal clause, then subordinating conjunctions, then subordinating clause. We already know that subordinating clauses which join the principal clause. Okay, here the principal clause is I doubt. Here is the subordinating conjunction is if. Then subordinating clause means he would pass. Then subordinating principal clause is I know. Subordinating conjunctions why. Then subordinating clause is he has come here. So subordinating and the page number 30 there is another box is some subordinating conjunctions of common uses are who, how, lest, whenever, who, if, since, wherever, etc. And uses of some subordinating conjunctions unless, then if. Unless means if not. Unless must never be confused with if. Okay, and don't use not with unless. If can be followed by not if a sense demanded. Example is unless you work unless you work very hard, you can't pass. If you do not work hard, you can't pass. So unless is never confused with if. Okay, and do not use with do not use not with the unless, and unless means if not. Then until means till, as long as. So until up to the time when. Until and till denoted some point of time. As long as, so long as, while, during the time that. The words denote period of time. Example, go straight till you come to the post office and then turn left. Then until you told me, I had heard nothing of it. So next subordinating conjunction is because. So that, in order that. Okay, because is used to express a clause or reason. So that used to express a purpose. Example, he failed because he did not work hard. Second example, he worked hard so that he might win scholarship. Now you take the page number 34. There is since. Since will be used as conjunction. Never preceded by verb in the past indefinite tense. It always followed by verb in the past indefinite tense. Example, 2 months have passed since he came here. And it has been 2 weeks since my examination were over. Next, before, if, until, unless, while, when, etc. as temporal conjunctions. They are never followed by a verb in the future tense. Example, I will help him if he is in trouble. Then next is that. This conjunction is never used at the beginning of the sentence in direct narration. That can be omitted if it is used after a verb of attribution. Said, stated, annoyed, etc. However, it must be used if the word that follow the verb of attribution might be mistaken for the object of the verb. Example, he told me that he would be late. He said that he was tired. Then lest. Lest is means to avoid a risk of. This conjunction always followed by the auxiliary should. Walk fast lest you should miss the train. I don't talk to him lest he should be angry. No other rather. Rather mean to indicate one preference. These words are followed by than. Example, no other than Mohan did this mischief. I would rather die than beg. The next page is there is a homework. The page number 35 is a homework. The first sentence is, just read the first sentence there. Walk slowly, there bracket or least, you will feel tired. So there is correct answer is walk slowly or you will feel tired. Okay. The next, I know why he is getting angry. Here is the correct alternative is I know why he is getting angry. Okay, like that you have to do yourself. Then use of subordinating conjunction to combine sentence. As if as is used to join two sentences when it convey the following meaning. As is equal to because it is raining, I shall not go to the office. As it is raining, I shall not go to the office. Second one, I was tired, I sat down to rest. As I was tired, I sat down to rest. As at the time when I reached the railway station, the train started. As I reached the railway station, the train started. He was her mother, she began to cry. As she was her mother, she began to cry. Like that, they are giving some examples. You go through that example and you have to do the homework. Now take the page number 36. As during the time when she worked, she sang. She sang as she worked. So as just after the time when the sun rises, the fog disappear. As the sun rises, the fog disappear. Okay. As in the same way, he ordered me, I did the work likewise. I did the work as he ordered me. Then as just like Sita is tall, Sita is equally tall. Sita is all tall as Sita. Sorry, Gita is as tall as Gita. Since is used to combine two sentences when it convey the following meaning. Since is used to combine two sentences, that is since because I was busy I could not meet him. So since I was busy I could not meet him. Since from that time till now Mohan went to Delhi, he has not returned to me after that. Mohan has not returned to me since he wanted to Delhi. So he went to Delhi. While is used to combine two sentences when while during that period he was playing in the garden, his sister was working. While he was playing in the garden, his sister was working. Then while but he likes tea, but his brother likes coffee. He likes tea while his brother likes coffee. Than is used to combine two sentences when it convey the following meaning. Than in comparison with the Rani is intelligent, Anu is more intelligent. Rani is more intelligent than Rani. Then immediately after this, when we reached the station, the train arrived. No sooner had we reached the station than the train arrived. Than to take better. He would work, he would not beg. He would work rather than beg. Just then can be used with a meaning when to combine two sentences. He prayed to God for rain. Suddenly the dark cloud appeared in the sky. We prayed to God for rain. Just then dark cloud appeared in the sky. Because is used at the beginning of the subordinating conjunction to tell the reason. Just is an adverb. It is used for emphasize. Page number 38. Because since, just because, only for this reason. It was raining, I took a taxi. Because it was raining, I took a taxi. And he stole, he just stealing. He stole just because he like stealing. Okay. And next there is a page number 38. There is lot of work to test yourself. You have to do that test using the help of the answer key. Thank you, children.